This Makita DGA 463 brushless variable speed angle grinder. This one is not locking the blade. Up close with this, you can see there's obvious damage and wear to that. That's the spring and that's the cap here now. We'll have to fit the cap. Well, that's us now. There we are. And with that, we're back in business. You shouldn't be able to do that with a blade guide. That's her back together. BHP 452 is an old Makita brushed machine. This one's got an issue. You can hold it. So here's the brand new one. We just put the new motor on, new armature into it, should I say. Try it now. I just can't hold it. Same broken yellow connector here at the top. It still works, but it's a frequently asked question. How do you change the yellow connector? Circuit board fitted. It's got a battery indicator that we don't need in this one. It works, you know, but it doesn't be required. So we'll just slide that down out of the way. So we're all back together. Trying the drill now to see what happens. Final action is to try it in the charger to see if the charger recognises it okay. And the charger's singing with joy. Today we've got this Bosch GSH5. I'm not going to plug it in because the owner says he got electric shocks off it. That's not a surprise because it's been taped more times than top of the pops has been in the 80s. So. Here's a nice new cable with a fitted plug that I prepared earlier. So. Aye, that's what's wrong with her. That's probably why she did stop. The stopper was out. that out of the way first.